we create objects, we commonly use literal notation. Literal notation is the easiest and most popular way to create objects. There are several other ways to create objects, but we're going to focus on this for now. The object is the curly braces and their contents. So in this example here, everything between the curly braces and the contents are considered the object. The object is stored in a variable called hotel. So you would refer to it as the hotel object. You separate each key from its value using a colon, and you separate each property and method with a comma. But you don't put a comma after the last value. So these right here are the properties, and this right here is the method. In the check availability method, the keyword this is being used to indicate that is using the rooms and the booked properties of this object. When setting properties, you treat the values like you would do for variables. Strings live in quotes and arrays live in square brackets. You access the properties or methods of an object using dot notation. You can also access properties using square brackets. So to access a property or a method of an object, you use the name of the object, followed by a period, and then the name of the property or the method you want to access. This is known as dot notation. So here's our object, and then the items in green are the property or method names. The period is also referred to as the member operator. The property or method on its right is the member of the object on its left. Here, two variables are created to hold the hotel name and the number of vacant rooms. You can also access the properties of an object, but not its methods, using square bracket syntax. This time the object name is followed by the square brackets, and the property name is inside them. This notation is most commonly used when the name of the property is a number. This is technically allowed, but it should generally be avoided. Or a variable is being used in place of the property name.